Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Performance in Salina, Kansas, where you can get a custom one-of-a-kind build shipped to you, centrally located in the United States. We can ship from coast to coast for free. So more information about the free shipping we'll have at the end of the video, so wait for that. Watch the video and stay tuned for that, as well as if you want to, you can fast forward at any time. I'll have it timestamped down below so you can see where we're talking about the free shipping information. So again, we do some different custom builds. We like to give you a one-of-a-kind truck, just like you're wanting on our different vehicles here, and you're well known for our lightning bolt package, as well as some of our other different custom builds that we do, and we can even do one-of-a-kind builds like we did with my truck. So if you haven't had a chance to check out any of our videos, now is the time. Hit the red subscribe button down there so you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. In this custom build, we have created a Raptor alternative for you. So this is something easily attainable truck. We took a factory truck and we put this Raptor lookalike on it. So we're going to cover all the components we added to this truck. It's going to give you more horsepower than traditional Raptor will with the high output V6 engine. So we'll talk more about that in just a little bit, but we're calling this package the Overlander. So we're going to cover all the factory equipment, what we base it off of from Ford, and then what we included as part of this package. So let's get started. Now first, let's talk about how we equip these from the factory, and we like to put a lot of our packages on the XLT trim, so we're going to do that with this Overlander package. So it'll be based off the XLT Super Crew 5.5 foot bed, 4x4. That's the configuration we're going to start with. We also like to order them on the 302A equipment group. 302A equipment group gets a lot of great flexibilities, has a lot of different equipment that's added to it, so much to really list off, but some of the big things is you're going to have your dual power seats as part of that equipment group. You're going to also get your some nice upgrades on the screen, so you're going to have a nice Sync 3 screen with an 8-inch touchscreen there, giving you all those capabilities. Sirius XM satellite radio, I think, is part of either the 301 or 302A equipment group. You're going to have the manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power adjustable pedals as part of that equipment group, so power heated mirrors, so all those great features as part of the 302A equipment group. But one of the biggest things that we go to that equipment group for is because you get an appearance package as standard equipment on the 302A equipment group. Of course, we like to go with the sport appearance package, giving the sport look. So what's the sport appearance package include? You're going to get your body colored door handles, you're going to get your body colored wheel lip moldings. You're going to also get your body colored bumpers as an appearance. Of course, we're switching out the bumpers, as you can see here. With this one, typically the grille will be a 2-bar gray grille on the sport appearance package, but we're going to take it another step forward in just a little bit. But also on the inside, you're going to have the bucket seats with the console, and you're going to have the console shifter. The only way you can get the console shifter on the XLT trim is with the sport appearance package or the black appearance package, which is what we upgraded to on this particular vehicle. So we did upgrade it a step forward. We added the black appearance package on this truck and on all of the Overlanders, by the way. It'll give you the black running boards on the side instead of the gray running boards. It's also going to give you, as a part of that, you're going to see some nice appearances on the emblems will be blacked out. So your F-150 XLT you'll see is will be blacked out. You're going to also see the blackout on the back of the vehicle. I'll give you a clip of that. But also, as we turn this truck around, you're going to see it gets a grille that we haven't seen on the XLT other than with this package for the 2020 model year. And you're going to see it does have the body colored surround with that black grille in there. Also, you're going to see blacked out emblem up here as part of that equipment group. First time that Ford's done that on any of their vehicles and not having that blue oval on the front. So black appearance package, first time available is 2020, not available in 2021, by the way. So that's a great equipment group that we add with this particular vehicle. So black appearance package was put on it. We also added another equipment package, the power equipment group. Power equipment group gives you the power sliding rear window. It's going to give you the LED box lighting. It's going to give you the 110 outlet and all the flexibilities to be able to put a class 4 receiver hitch in the back. So it is required on the 302A equipment group to add a hitch. So we do have the receiver hitch on the back. Speaking of that, what else did we include? Let's go ahead and move this around on the truck. It's optional equipment, so we ordered a couple of different standalone options, one of them being the voice-activated navigation system. The other one is going to be this tailgate step back here. And I want to show you how well this works. What's great about this tailgate step is you don't have to worry about it getting in the way of any hitch. So if you have the hitch back there, you can still pull this out and you can have this tailgate step and be able to get into the truck a little bit easier. And it also does have, of course, the LED box lighting, and I can demonstrate that with this turned around power sliding rear window in the back with rear defrost as well. So very well equipped, as you can see. A couple other things that we add as optional equipment on this truck. As we turn this around, one of them is going to be the twin panel moonroof. So I want to kind of show you that as we turn this around here. So twin panel moonroof, so you can see power sunshade with that. That front glass does open up for you, so really well equipped that way. Also, we do have on this, we ordered as the optional engine is the 5.0 liter V8 engine. So with that engine, it's going to deliver 395 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. Also has a 10-speed automatic transmission, and when we add as optional equipment the 373 electronic locking gear ratio, a lot of off-the-line power with this, but we're not done yet. We're going to add something else to it as part of the Overlander package. So let's move into that part of the video and let's talk about what's included as part of this package. So how can we make this compete with the Raptor? It's by adding this supercharger in here. So we will add the Roush 650 horsepower supercharger. It is geared out to work with Ford Performance, has a cold air intake, lots of performance, 650 horsepower, so it's going to give you a little more power than what you'd get with the Raptor in performance, and it's going to be protected with a 3-year 36,000 mile warranty with this supercharger. So we are a Roush dealership, so we are certified to install these. So it was installed in the truck once it got here, added the supercharger cold air intake, will be covered with a 5-year or a 3-year 36,000 mile warranty there. Also on the front, you'll notice what else we did. We did a couple things from Rough Country. One of them is the front bumper replacement. So nice steel bumper up here. So we took off the body colored bumpers, added this nice Rough Country bumper up here. You'll notice also a couple different lights that we added to this. Of course, here on both sides, you're going to see the smaller LEDs over here. These work with your fog lights. So when you typically have your fog lights on, that's when these will come on up here. But on this light bar can be turned on at any time with the switch that was installed on the dash. So you just turn that switch on and you're going to see the LED light up on the front of the vehicle. So moving around to the side, first thing we wanted to do is on the side over here is to make sure it had a nice suspension. So we do have a 2-inch front suspension system on this with the Fox shocks. So Fox Performance shocks are well known. I have them in my truck, so we have front and rear Fox shocks. They're going to perform great if you're wanting to go off-road as well as on-road. Speaking of that, we do have these nice wheels, 17-inch. They are the OEM factory Ford Raptor wheel. So it's a black and machine wheel here, so real great look to it. Also with that smaller wheel, you're going to get more tire. So if you want to do some serious off-roading, you want to go with a smaller wheel, bigger tire. You're going to see the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires here. These are the KO2 tires, very popular. We order them on a lot of our truck builds. In fact, I have them on my truck. What's great about those is that they're great on-road and off-road tire. So off-road, they're going to give you the traction you need to go off-roading, but when you're on the road, they're not going to be real noisy and loud, giving you that loud road noise that you might have on some other tires over there. So I think you're going to not like the mixture with that tire right there. We are a certified Sunguard window tint dealer here, so we do front window tint on these as part of these packages. Kind of throw that in. You're going to see Rough Country chase rack back here. A couple different Rough Country accessories on the truck, you'll notice. Chase rack is one of them. Nice powder finish here, a black finish to it. It does have the holes on the top, so if you want to add any kind of light bars, you can add those to those vehicles. We put this on a Raptor build and really liked it, so we ordered it, made sure we ordered it on the Overlander package as well back here. You're going to see the graphics on the back. So it is a splash graphics, a matte finish to it with the Overlander in there. So similar to what you might see on the Raptor graphics package, but it is our own graphics design by a local company here in Salina. Also, you're going to see the exhaust. Rough Country exhaust, so it is a dual exhaust, side exit on both sides there with the powder tips on those, so exhaust tips, but it gives it a really great sound. With this V8 engine and the supercharger, it's going to give you a fabulous sound. Let's take a second to give you a clip of that. Now moving to the back, you're going to see a nice steel bumper back here. It is rough country again, just like the front bumper and the chase rack, so it's going to kind of match everything together. It will have the LED lights in the back, so 2 LED lights. They are your backup lights, so when you put that in reverse, those are going to light up really bright for you so you can see as you're backing up. Also in the bed, you're going to see a Toff spray-in bed liner. We're a certified dealership here to do that, so you're going to have a nice spray-in bed liner in the truck to just really coat that and protects the bed of the truck. Now let's move inside. A couple things on the inside we want to talk about that we added to the truck too. So in here we wanted to add something special. We do have the heated front seat, so why not go ahead and add some leather? So we did that. These are Roadwire brand leather seats. We put them in at Top King in Kansas City. In fact, it's where they stop when they get factory made, they built, they get dropped off, get the leather put in first, and then everything else after that. But you're gonna love that. We love this seat. We call it the limited style leather seating because it does have the stitched bolsters like you'd see in the limited, and very quality leather seat. Two-tone with the, this in here is the black with the gray inserts in the middle. You're gonna see that in the front bucket seats, but also in the back seat, they're gonna get leather as well. So we didn't stop just the front seats. You're gonna see the nice custom leather seats back here. And I will tell you, I do have Roadwire brand leather seats in my truck. Very comfortable seat. I think they're more comfortable than the leather seats you get from the Ford factory, because I do have leather in my Expedition, and these are so much more comfortable seat in these. You'll really like that with the heated front seats. You're going to love it in the wintertime as well. So that's our Overlander package. So you probably wonder, how much is this package? What's it going to cost me? Retail price on this package is $19,995. That includes the Supercharger, which is about 10 grand, and about 10 grand worth of ads on the vehicle. So if you're wanting maybe this package, you don't want the Supercharger, it's going to be about 10 grand for that if you're wanting to look at it that way. So you can go either way there. Of course, everything we've talked about here, of course, we talked about Roush does protect the Supercharger for 3 years, 36,000 miles, and McArthur will back everything else. Everything we added to the truck is part of this package for a peace of mind, McArthur Performance 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So we do protect it. If you don't live locally, you go up to your nearest dealership. If there's anything wrong with it, they'll take care of it, and then to send us the bill, we'll take care of the repair order that way. So we've had pretty good luck. A lot of these builds are built really well from local vendors that we have that do a great job in putting everything together that way we want it to. So you shouldn't have any issues, but if you do, we're going to protect it, and for first 3 years, 36,000 miles of the truck ownership. So love this build. Where can you find this information? You can go to our website, McArthur.com. They're on there. You can click on that black logo up there, that McArthur Performance at the top. When you click on that, you're going to see our custom aftermarket page there. That is a page where you can have links to any of the different custom builds that we do right there, whether it be an F-150, Super Duty, Rangers, whatever it might be. We are a Roush dealership as well as Salina, so you can check those pages out by clicking on any of those links. We have a page dedicated for the Overlander, so you can get more information, everything I covered, as well as this video will be right there. And then you can see the inventory right there as well of what we currently have in Overlanders. And even on the main page, you can see all of our different custom truck builds that we have and what inventory we have there. Currently have 2 right now as the time of this video is launching. We have a Leadfoot and Velocity Blue. Now this is a package that with the Supercharger can only be done in the 2020 model year, so you might want to hurry. 2021 Roush is not going to be updated and have things certified for being able to put Superchargers on 2021s, so we will not be able to do this package with the Supercharger for 2021. So keep that in mind if you're looking to get this different packages. So you might want to hurry and get these before the 2020s are gone. So hopefully you really enjoyed this. Now keep in mind, we do have, of course, this package is 20 grand retail, but we're not going to sell it that way. We actually right now are selling these at about $10,000 off MSRP for the truck build, so that you can get these for about $67,000 right now. So pretty close to the price that you're going to see on a Raptor of similar equipment on it with the XLT type of equipment you might see on an 800 or 801A equipment group. So hopefully really enjoyed this video. Now if you have any questions, don't forget you can call or send us a text message. Numbers on the screen, as well as they'll be down in the description. Anytime you can check those out during the video. And don't forget, drop the comments down below as well. I read those comments, respond to those as quickly as I can. So if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments as well. Smash that like button, but don't forget, if you're looking for content like this, you're wanting some custom truck builds, or maybe even some walk around videos on Ford vehicles that you can't find anywhere else, check out our YouTube channel. Hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to the channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified next time we have another video upload to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, you can find us on social media as well, on McArthur, or at McArthur on any of those. So just search for that on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So check us out for different things that are going on locally here, specials, events that we have going on. You can see what's going on here with McArthur and the different things that we have that are happening here around the dealership. So hopefully you really did enjoy this video, and don't forget to check us out for the next one. We'll see you later.